Young years, so it has been such a long time since I've been here on YouTube. So let me just give you guys a quick update. So last month I was working on this film project, and because of that, it kind of occupied my time to record and do some editing for YouTube. And even now, I'm still not done with it. My plan was to finish it within 1 week, but it happened during a crucial time, so because of that it was not finished. And the next up is I started school again. Yes. I registered for summer classes and I'm taking cosmetology classes for my license. So because of that, that have also occupied my time, and it's so time consuming. Also because it's summer classes, like it's the whole semester, like bunch up in 1 month. And it's pretty hard, but I'm gonna do it. So enough with all of this. Let's enjoy this natural makeup tutorial that I'm about to show y'all. Using my e.l.f. bite-sized palette, I am using Pumpkin Pie. And first I applied using the matte shade, which is a light brown color, all over my lids. I'm not gonna go too high. I'm trying to stay more natural, so my main focus is more on my eyeliner than my eyeshadow. Next, I'm using a dark brown shade on my outer corners, and I'm going to be using it as well on my inner corners and be connecting them together to create almost kind of like a halo effect. Using a blending brush, I'm going to blend out the harsh edges to soften the eye makeup look. Now you can stop here after you finish blending out everything, but you can add a little shimmer like I did to put it only on the center of your eyelids. And if you add the shimmer, go ahead and use the dark brown shade to retouch your halo effect, and then blend it out with the light matte brown shade. This is optional. You can add some shimmer to make your eyes brighten up a bit more. Apply your eyeliner, and using the Dollar Lash Club lashes, I am going to be using Robin to apply some natural fakes on my eyes. Now I'm using a lighter brown shade of color on my eyebrows. Even though my eyebrows are already pretty dark itself, I wanted it to be more natural, but it didn't really show much, now did it? It's because my eyebrows are pretty dark. So actually it took me a while to try to make it a bit lighter. And for the eyeliner, you could have used a brown eyeliner, but I chose black because I wanted the eyeliner to be the main focus instead of the shadow. And there you have it, a simple, natural eye makeup look that you can wear on a daily basis. Though my lighting did not show it, but well, see ya! Okay, yes, so I just ordered some Dollar Lash Club lashes. Okay, so it's such a cute packaging. I love this hot pink. And anyways, these lashes, oh my gosh, they're so affordable. It's affordable, beautiful packaging, unicorns, come on, unicorns. And the one I'm wearing today is Robin, and I had to record this part because it was not recording when I was recording these lashes. So I got 5 pairs. I'm wearing one of them, which is the Robin. And just want to show you guys. I got Lexi, got Kylie. Yeah, I should show you guys. Lexi, Kylie, and is it a Casey or Cassie? But either one. And then Sabrina. I love how these are all like names, like literally names. I wish I can have one called Ania, so y'all can just wear lashes that have my name on it. So yes, go get yourself some of these lashes. It's so cute and adorable, and these are like, I usually don't buy like lashes that are like these, but these are, like, I usually buy sets, but these are wonderful. They're cheap, not cheap, but they're really affordable. So go get yourself some. I'll link their website down in the description box below, and enjoy. I can't believe I dropped them now. I can't find where I dropped them. My goodness.